Okay, we saw that just now थोड़ी देर पहले. To calculate the LCM, we calculate the L value, right? L here, right? And that told you that the LCM is nothing but common into uncommon factors. Now, guys, if you observe the number 12, 12 में अगर आपने HCF निकाल दिया 6, तो बचा क्या? 2. Same thing 18 में अगर आपने HCF निकाल दिया तो बचा क्या? ये 3. These 2 and 3 have nothing in common, right? They are called as co-prime numbers. Okay, co-prime numbers have basically HCF is equal to 1. The highest common factor they have is 1. Okay, so always remember whenever you are considering two numbers इनका HCF अगर कुछ common है, okay, whatever would remain after taking the HCF common will be co-prime. Okay, because जाहिर सी बात है, you have already taken the common factors outside in the HCF, right? So whatever remains will be set of co-prime numbers, right? So we'll go on further now. See, so we'll write the number 12 as HCF into the uncommon part 2. And for the number 18, we write HCF into the uncommon part 3. All right. So we can always write two numbers having HCF H as H into A and H into B, where A and B are two co-prime numbers. Okay. अब इसी sense में अगर हमने देखा कि 36 के लिए the common factors are 2 into 3, uncommon factors are 2 and 3, right? Okay. So for the numbers HA and HB, the common part is H and the uncommon parts are A and B. This will be the LCM, right? That's exactly what we have right now. LCM of these two numbers will be common into uncommon factors. Common factor क्या हुआ? H. Uncommon factors क्या हुए? A and B. Okay. Now going on further, okay, what you can do is you can simply multiply both sides by the HCF. So now H into A is the first number, H into B is the second number here, right? So we have LCM into HCF for two numbers is nothing but the product of the two numbers. So last two results I have just mentioned separately. You can just copy them right now and remember them. We'll solve a few questions now, guys, based on this concept. Just remember for two numbers having HCF H, the numbers can be written as HA and HB, where A and B are the co-prime parts, and the LCM will be H into A into B. Multiply by H on both sides, you have HCF into LCM is equal to product of the given two numbers, right? Chalo. So two numbers have HCF 6 and LCM 720. If the first number is 30, find the second number. You can just pause the video, just think for a minute or two, and then look at the solution. So now we use the last wala concept. HCF into LCM is equal to product of the numbers, right? So HCF into LCM is equal to the first number into the second number. HCF is given to you already as 6. LCM is also given to you as 720. If first number is 30, second number nikalna hai, right? Question mark. So 0 and 0 gone. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. The answer is 144.